Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Korean spicy stir-fry pork. For ingredients, let's check down below. Here, I have about 500 grams of pork. This is a mix between pork belly and pork shoulder. So you can use any pork you like. Just make sure you cut it in a bite size. Just like that. Gochujang or chili pepper paste, water, gochugaru or chili pepper flakes, black pepper, sesame seed, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, sugar, green chili pepper, green onion, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and about 5 centimeters of ginger. So now I'm gonna prep the ingredients first. You want finely chop the garlic and ginger. I'm gonna use food processor over here. Onion, slice thinly. Green chili pepper, you want to cut diagonally. Green onion, you want to cut it lengthwise. For the sauce, you need 2 tablespoons of chili pepper flakes or gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons gochujang or chili pepper paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1/3 cup of water, and now mix it. When the sugar is dissolved, sauce is ready to go. So from a cold pan, you want to add your pork. Turn on your heat on a medium high. When it's about halfway down, you can add garlic and ginger. Cook for about 45 seconds or about until it fragments. After 45 seconds, now you can add onion, green chili, when the onion is soft, now add the sauce. Mix it. We're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. When everything's done, about 3 minutes in, now you can add your green onion. When the green onion is soft, you can turn off your heat. Now we're gonna transfer it to a serving plate. Couple of steps, you want to drizzle it with sesame oil. And sesame seed. There you go. Korean spicy stir-fry pork. It's ready. So that's it for our video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.